Good morning to one and all. Today we are going to see about the topic templates. In templates we are going to see about class template and the function template. First we can came to know what is a template. Template are the foundation of generic programming that solves writing code in a way that is independent of any particular type. So what is a template means that suppose in your program classes or functions we are giving the same data type to that is same function can be implemented in different data type by using templates. In normal class if we use means we have to give separately. Suppose the given integer so the given numbers can be if you want to give us an integer double we have to mention it separately, and the character string everything we have to do the separate. But using template you can commonly by different data types in a particular can be used independently. That's why templates are foundation of the generic programming which involves writing code. We are going to write the code the way of independent of any particular type, any data type you can write. Commonly if you use the data type inside the program it will take it as one. We can use template to define functions as well as function classes. So in this for classes and functions we can use this type of template. So these are the types of the template: function template and class template. First we can see about function template. What is a function template? Normally in function we have seen many. We will write the function and inside the parameters arguments we will declare some variables. Those variables only we will use it in the function. So whatever data type we are declaring in the parameters or arguments, we should use same variables as a local variable, same data type. But in function templates we can give different data types by using this template. Single function can work with the different data types. We can see how it is possible. Templates are the powerful features of C++ which allows us to generate programs. So we are going to write program. So we can write single function. Only one function we are going to write to work with, but different data types: integer, float, double. Like this, three different data types can be implemented. A function template starts with a keyword template followed by the template parameters, and inside we have this is phrases which is followed by the function. This is the syntax of the template. So we are writing the keyword template, then we have to mention what is the class type, that is data type, return type, function name, parameters list. This will be the body of the function. See in this example we have wrote template and it is explained in detail. So we are going to write template in the bracket type name T. This is type name is the data type and we are mentioning as the capital T. So now we are using that capital T. My max is then function name, and we are going to T as one variable as X and another variable as an Y. Now we are going to return. What we are going to return? We are using the conditional operators as X is greater than Y, or we are implementing which is greater and we are going to print X or Y. Then in main function we are giving cout as we are going to write my max. First we are giving integer value 3 and 7 and we are giving character G and E. So this is the template, that is we need not to mention everything. We are going to use these types. Just in main function we can give them values that the compiler automatically changes to the data type and automatically it starts executing. See, first we are given as an integer only one function. For that one function my max we can calculate for integer and the character. So compiler internally generates and adds below code. So it goes to the function and it takes the integer value as integer x, integer y, that is 3 comma 7. Going to compare 3 is greater than 7. It is going to print 7 as the greater. And for the second function character, it also takes the character. So Now you can understood that template T type name. This is common for integer and the character. With another example, template type. This is for to add numbers. So here also we are using template type name T is common. Commonly we are going to take the function as add. So we are taking add and we are going to take two numbers. So we did not mention the data type. Instance we mentioned as the object T. Now what we are going to return, we are going to add the two numbers. In main function we are getting the value. Same function add for two types of values, two data types values, one for integer, another for double. So how it is gets executing, it goes to the function, it takes integer num1, integer num2, and in another function it takes double num1 and double num2, it is going to add. Example program, this one is same example, it is explained below. So 2 comma 3, 2 plus 3 pi 2 point, and it takes the double value also, adding and giving the output. Template type name T, T add T num1 comma T num2, return. It is going to add the numbers, integer result 1, double result 2. So here we are giving result 1 should be an integer answer and the result 2 should be a double. Then first we are going to calling the integer parameter. So result 1 add function name we are calling, mentioning this is an integer, and cout we are going to plus 2 plus 3, answer will be the 5, giving end line. So the next output will be printed in the next line, calling with the double parameters to second result and double same as it is, we are declaring as the double. Disadvantages of template. Some compiler have poor support of templates, so it does not have all that is before advanced compilers will be a good, but some will be a poor template. So that the data type changing everything, it depends only on the compiler. So compiler should be a well performed. Many compilers lack clear instructions when they detect errors in the definition of template. Next, many compilers do not support the nesting of template. When templates are used, all codes get exposed. The templates are in the header where the complete rebuild of all project pieces is required. Now we are going to see about the class template. So before that we saw an function template. In function template, what we are doing is writing one function and can be implemented as an different data types. So separate functions cannot be written, one common function, but different data types can be used. So here same thing can be done for the classes. Class can also be declared like this and the different data types can be used. So class also we declare to operate on different data types. Such classes called as a class template. A class template specifies how individual classes can be constructed similar to normal classification. So these called Malik as usual, like generic function, this will be a generic class which supports similar operation. So in syntax as a template parameter list class declaration we are given. There will be the function and here we are giving the class declaration. This is an example program. Hash include using namespace class template. So we are giving template class T. Class number, that is number is a class name, and in private we are declaring the variables as an same thing. In normal class what will be declaring, we will declaring the type of what type of data type will be declared, but here by using templates private commonly t num the t can be anything, integer, float, anything. Then for the public, the constructor are created with the class name number tn. Next, this get num is a function name. Then in main function creating object with integer type. So we are giving the integer as a number 7. We are going to create object. If we are assigning the integer type, then for double also, integer and double, two numbers we are going to give. So here we are getting the function name. We are getting the function using the object. We are calling the function getNum for both integer and the double values. So if we get, answer will be 7 and 7.7.